Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Driving in Jamaica. Today we're driving through St. Thomas, and St. Thomas is a parish on the eastern part of Jamaica, and they're building a highway that will connect Portland to Harborview, or connect Portland to St. Andrew, Kingston and St. Andrew. So we're going to take a look at that today. So now you can see the sign, welcome to St. Thomas. So the highway, the Southern Coastal Highway, that's the name of it, is going to run through Portland and also run through St. Thomas. Now on the left is a turn off to some quarries, and these quarries are probably the most popular industry in St. Thomas. And the quarries where they dig down the mountains or the hills and use the stone, they break it up and make it into marl, and they use it for building roads and other things all over the country. So the capital of St. Thomas is Morant Bay, and Morant Bay is famous for the Morant Bay Rebellion. It's also one of those smaller parishes and one of the least developed parishes in Jamaica. But we're going to look at the highway construction today. Now, because the highway runs through St. Thomas, some persons refer to it as a St. Thomas Highway. It runs through Portland, so some persons refer to it as the Portland Highway. But the official name is the Southern Coastal Highway. And part of the highway is finished, and it's a very nice road, a 4-lane road. And the view from that highway is going to be spectacular. We're going to drive on the finished portion of the highway soon, so you can see what I'm talking about. But that highway is going to definitely help this side of the island. Because can you imagine driving to Portland and you're going through St. Thomas and you have to drive on these roads? But once you're on the highway, you reach there in no time. It's the same way the Edward Siaga Highway connects Kingston to Ocho Rios, or more specifically St. Catherine to Miami Bay, Caymanos in St. Catherine to Miami Bay, but it's Kingston to Ocho Rios. And before the highway was built, it would take probably an hour and a half to 2 hours to reach from Kingston to Ocho Rios. Now with the completion of the highway, it takes 45 minutes. Very easy drive, very nice drive. The view is very nice on some parts of the highway, but that view, nothing compared to the view when this highway is finished. So in the same way, it cuts down the travel time to Ocho Rios. It's going to cut down the travel time. This highway, the Southern Coastal, from Kingston to St. Thomas to Morant Bay to Portland. So it's going to definitely bring a lot more activity to this side of the island. And again, we have to, I guess you could say, big up the government or give them credit, because they are doing an excellent job with the building of these highways and the road infrastructure in Jamaica. Now the Southern Coastal Highway is a part of the Highway 2000 project that was started many years ago, but this is just this leg of it. And the first leg of the highway, well, the Highway 2000 includes the Portmore Expressway, it includes the PJ Patterson Highway, which is the east-west leg of Highway 2000 that connects Kingston to Maypen, Mandeville, St. Catherine, Clarendon, and it's currently being extended to Mandeville. So eventually the highway to the east-west leg will run from Kingston to Mandeville. The north-south leg of Highway 2000 runs from Kingston to St. Anne, and then the northern coastal highway runs from St. Anne all the way down to Negril. So to connect the eastern parishes to Highway 2000, that's where the southern coastal highway comes in. So at the end of the day, when all the highways are finished, you can drive around Jamaica on a highway. It's supposed to connect the island from end to end, which is a very nice endeavor, project, well needed. Makes a big difference. Okay, now I'm not sure, but let's see what happens. We are coming off the main road and we're going to go. This is the actual highway. You can see they have dug down the walls. Alright, we're just going to drive on the highway. Not sure we're supposed to, but there's no sign or nothing. And just look at the progress. If anybody says anything, we'll just turn around and leave. As you can see, this section of the highway has a long way to go, so it's not going to be completed anytime soon. But they're building it in stages, and one section is finished and cars are allowed to drive on it. Okay, we're just going to take our time, because as you can see, that's a ditch over there. The only thing stopping it is those tiles. This section of the road has a very far way to go. Because the highway is supposed to be 4 lanes, and well, it's under construction. But we can't even identify the 4 lanes yet. Oh, actually, we can. Straight ahead, it's coming into view soon. You can see the concrete barricades that will separate the 2 lanes. And okay, it's coming into view now. You can see it. So they are making progress. But it's still, this section still isn't finished. It has ways to go still. Okay, so there you can see the 4 lanes. 2 will be on this side, 2 on the other side, and that concrete barricade will separate them. Oh, this is going to be a spectacular highway when it's finished. Now this section seems like it's close to being finished. So the railings on the left are up, the inside barricades, so maybe all that's left is to pave the road. And on the right you can see the view of the mountains. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.